Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you're looking at the how-to lady. Yes, so we're going to dive right in and we're going to talk about
Today we're going to share how to do a DIY or a life hack in a snap.
So if you're interested, stay tuned and we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park.
Hello everyone, as indicated in the introduction, today we are going to do a DIY that can be done in a snap. So we are going to show you how you can store things on your vanity without investing lots of money. I love boxes. I love them because they're easy, they're accessible. When you buy a pair of shoes, you have a box. When you buy cologne, you have a box. You know, when we buy a lot of technology like our phones and our laptops, our computers, yep, you have a box. So today I am going to show you how to repurpose a box and use it on your vanity to hold some of your hand sanitizers, washcloths, especially if you have a small space that doesn't have a lot of counter space. Are y'all ready? Here we go. All you need is a box, and I got this box from one of my friends who had cologne in this box. I thought, what a great box. I mean, I love the color, the inside is amazing. I mean, that black goes with everything, right? And I thought to myself, what a great way to repurpose a box to use for our vanity. I am going to store this on my vanity and I'm going to just jazz it up just a little bit, not a lot at all. I'm not even going to paint it because I love the color. I'm using a candle holder. This had a tray on top of it, and on top of that tray sat a candle, a very large candle. But I ended up using the candle in another space and it works in that space. So I had this holder left over and I'm going to use it to go underneath this box. I'm also going to use one or two, and if I can find a larger one, of these little stones. They're like crystal stones and you can get them anywhere. You can find them at any hobby store. So I'm going to use either several of those or just one. And of course you're going to need your glue gun. So are you all ready? Let's go. I was able to find a larger jewel, so I am going to glue that on the base front of the box. After I hear that, then I'm going to think about whether or not I want to glue the base and the top of the box onto the candle stand. Here, I'm just demonstrating how you would do that, and then you would sit the box on top. But be sure you have the top securely in place before actually gluing. In this instance, I decided not to glue the candle holder onto the bottom of the box. I'm just going to allow it to sit on top of that candle holder. In addition, I began to fill my box with hand towels, a fragrance, a bathroom fragrance, hand sanitizer. You can even add lotion, liquid soap. The choice is yours, but you just want to have something that sits out for your guests to use and have easy access to these items. And the cool thing about it all is it's so beautiful. It looks like it was made for that counter. Voila, we're all done. Doesn't this look amazing? We have hand cloths as well as hand towels stored here. And we've added some bathroom spray. You know, sometimes you just want to refresh the air in the bathroom. We have some hand sanitizer. We have hand soap as well as lotion. And this all can sit right on top of your vanity, and you can just grab it and go and just use what you need. Also, it's great for when guests are visiting and you want to have a place where everything is easily accessible. And hey, what a better way to dress it up on your vanity. We didn't spend tons of money, $0. We used things that were in our home. It's not necessary to use the stand, but I think the stand keeps it off the counter, and it helps the counter not look as cluttered. So hey, check it out. Just taking a box that's a cool color and gluing on your candle stand to this box. Everything's sitting here nice and sturdy. Nothing's moving, nothing's gonna fall off or out. And it creates a great space for things that you want to store on your counter. I love corralling things, but I love to corral them in a cute and fashionable way. So what do you think? This is a DIY hack done in a snap. Try it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Thank you for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.